Stuck? Don't know what to create on Scratch? Today I'll show you how to get ideas from Scratch, in just 1 minute. Step 1. Open the Scratch website and click the Explore button at the top. You'll see 3 options: Art, Music, and Games. If you're a beginner, starting with Games is the best. Step 2. Pick any game from the Games section and play it. Understand the rules. Have fun. Ask yourself, what made this game interesting? How can I make it better? Step 3. This is the most important part. Click See Inside. Now you can see how the game was actually made. Click on each sprite one by one and check their code blocks. Oh, so that's how jumping works. That's how the score increases. And that's it. That's where ideas come from. Look at someone's code, understand it, and then build your own version from scratch. Don't copy, get inspired. If you found this trick helpful, hit like, and comment what you're going to build on Scratch next.